Hey guys, Joe here with FlexArm, here with a testimonial today. It comes from Joe Odo from Electric Boat, which is a division of General Dynamics. They were having an application where they were tapping 832 holes into some electrical mounting panels, 24 of them to be exact. In this application, that's 288 holes that they were tapping by hand. So it was taking about 20 minutes per hole. Again, that's 288 holes. This project was taking them 5,760 minutes, or about 96 hours. So FlexArm steps in. We work a lot with Electric Boat. We've always got something going on with them. And FlexArm steps in with a GH60 tapping arm. It took less than a minute per hole. So we saved them over 90 hours throughout this application. This isn't something that's a one-off. They do it, from time to time. So who knows how much time this is going to save them for the life of this project. But listen, if you or anyone you know is having to tap and they're doing it by hand, or they're doing it where it's a slow process for them, it's taking up a lot of spindle time, anything like that, call us here at FlexArm. Let us walk you through our process, show you the absolute best tapping solution on the market. We'll take 5-10 minutes of your time to see if we can find a better way for you to do it. I guarantee we can. Call us here at FlexArm. My name's Joe. Our phone number 1-800-837-2503. We want to help you.